So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Let us discuss about logarithmic function. What is logarithmic function? Logarithmic function, it is the inverse of the exponential function denoted by a symbol of f to the negative 1. For a greater than 0, so a should be greater than 0, and a should not be equal to 0, and x should be greater than 0. So the logarithm of x base a denoted by logarithm of x to the base a. So this is the way to write the logarithm of x to the base a, defined as logarithm of x to the base a equals y, which is x should be greater than 0 and a should not be equal to 0, and the value of a must be greater than 0. So that is 1/2, 1/4, 1, 2, but not negative. If and only if a to the y equals x. How to change logarithmic function to exponential function? So let us identify in changing logarithmic function to exponential function. In changing logarithmic function to exponential function, the logarithmic function, this is logarithm of y to the base a equals x. To change to exponential function, the base of the logarithm, it is equal to the base of the exponential. So that is a. So a to the x equals y. So the base of the logarithm is the same base with the exponential. So our exponent, a to the x equals y. So let us apply in changing logarithm to exponential. So logarithm of 9 to the base 3 equals 2. So it means our base is 3. So 3 square equals 9. Number 2. Logarithm of 1000 to the base 10 equals 3. Our base is 10. So 10 cubed equals 1000. Number 3. Logarithm of 1 over 8 to the base 2 equals negative 3. Our base is 2, so 2 to the negative 3 equals 1 over 8. Number 4. Logarithm of 1 over 16 to the base 1 over 4 equals 2. So our base is 1 over 4, so 1 over 4 square equals 1 over 16. So let us see how to change exponential function to logarithmic function. So in changing exponential function to logarithmic function. The exponential function a to the x is equal to y. The base of the exponential function, that is a. So it means in changing to logarithmic function, so same base a. But then, first we need to write logarithm of y to the base a equals x. Logarithm of y to the base a equals x. So, ganito yung pagkakasulat. Let us apply changing exponential function to logarithmic function. In example number 1, 3 square equals 9. Our base is 3. So, we will start here. Logarithm of 9 to the base 3 equals 2. Number 2, 5 cubed equals 125. Our base is 5. So logarithm of 125 to the base 5 equals 3. Number 3, 7 to the negative 2 equals 1 over 49. So logarithm of 1 over 49 to the base 7 equals negative 2. Number 4, 1/2 raised to the negative 3 equals 8. So logarithm of 8 to the base 1/2 equals negative 3.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.